MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play The Man in Me by Bob Dylan from the Big Lebowski soundtrack. I'm going to start off with the chords, pretty straightforward. A G chord, first finger hangs, middle finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, your pinky curls up and gets the 1st string, 3rd fret, and you play all 6. I'm going to move from here to a C chord. Pick your pinky up. These two fingers move over together, so your ring finger winds up on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and your middle finger winds up on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to put your first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and you play 5 strings. The next chord's A minor, and we're going to walk to that. We're going to play a C chord, and then you're going to play with your middle finger, the 5th string, 2nd fret, it's a B, and then the A minor chord. The A minor is very similar to the C. Your first finger doesn't move, it stays right there on the 2nd string, 1st fret. After you play the walking note, your middle finger goes right back where it was on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger crowds behind it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you play 5 strings. To go to the D chord, first finger slides up and over one, so it's on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger drops down right behind it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes between them on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and you're only going to play 4 strings. The strumming pattern has to be fluid to go with the words, so you're going to be changing it a little bit to go with what you're singing. The steady beat's going to have a slight shuffle in it, so the up is going to be a little shorter than the down. Down, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's your steady beat. The strumming pattern, we're going to mostly accent the 1, 2. So down, 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 down. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Don't forget to check the links below for the chord chart, other songs you might like, and a play-along video for this song. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play The Man in Me by Bob Dylan. The man in me will hide some